Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin from Masagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na tatingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 23 hanggang September 30 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, welcome sa my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mga ginap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng isang bulabog at bulabog na mensahe para sa ating mga kapatid na Capricorn. There's an Ace of Cups. There's a new romance, a new love life, no? May bagong pakilig o magpapakilig sa inyong puso. No, mukhang ito ay sinasabi ng bagong romance, no? Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a Hermit card. There's a soul search. Parang nahanap mo na yung magpapakilig at magpapaano talaga sa ligaya. Kasi soul is, kumbaga, talaga nahanap mo yung kumbaga kasama mo sa kaluluwa. Charis, kaluluwa na eh. So, let's see. And of course, there is a Four of Wands. Four of Wands represent wedding, celebration, at twin flame energy. And of course, sinasabi dito ng Seven of Wands, protectionan mo ang iyong relation, no? Or sinasabi, protectionan mo ang iyong person, no? Kumbaga, akin lang ang asawa ko, ganun. Akin lang yung jowa ko, ganun. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka dito ng engagement, proposal, wedding, homecoming, diba? Protectionan mo daw. And of course, sinasabi dito with the Queen of Wands, there's a confidence, diba? Magkaroon ka ng confidence sa ginagawa mo. At the same time, there is a Five of Cups. Alisin mo yung doubt. And of course, yung pag-aalinlangan mo, no? Alisin mo yon. Yung salawahan, yung ganoon. Alisin mo daw yon. What is the Ace of Cups? And of course, there's a Ten of Swords. Oh, may backstabbing dito. Tiha, mag-ingat ka, may traidor. No? Baka agawin ng person mo. May bago magmamahal na papasok sa'yo. Magpapahiligan talaga sa'yo. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-ingat ka. Baka may humarot. Diba? What is the Hermit card? And of course, there is a Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy. Budgeting, no? Kumbaga, bago ka bumili or bago ka kumuha ng isang bagay, kailangan tingnan mo muna kung kaya mo. No? Huwag kang mag-pretend na kaya mo kung hindi naman ang kaya, di ba? What is the Four of Wands? There's a King of Wands. Okay, there is a control. No? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na may itong person na to is masculine energy na kumbaga talagang puproteksyonan at pangangalaga at kokontrolin ang inyong relationship. Now, what is the Seven of Wands? And of course, there's a Magician, no? Protectionan mo yung sarili mo or protectionan mo yung love life mo. The Magician represent na sinasabi dito baka gumawa ng eksena, no? Kumbaga, baka mayroong magmanipula o may taong gumawa ng eksena dito sa person mo, no? Kumbaga, laking inggit. Diba? What is the Queen of Wands? And of course, there's a Seven of Cups, no? Kumbaga, magkaroon ka ng confidence. Nasabi sa'yo dito na mayroong confusion, no? May manggugulo. So, what is the Five of Cups? And of course, there's a Four of Swords, no? Listen to your intuition. Makinig ka sa intuition mo at makinig ka sa gut feeling mo, yung instinct mo, pakinggan mo yan kasi baka pagsisihan mo sa huli na hindi ka nakinig dyan. So, what is the Ace of Cups and the Ten of Swords? There's a Moon card. Si revelasyon. Diba? May revelasyon dito na mukhang may lalatik o may lalandi sa person mo. Mayroong magbabackstab sa'yo. So, what is the Hermit card in the Four of Pentacles? And of course, there's a Ten of Cups. There's an happiness. Magkakaroon ka ng masaya dito at maligayang buhay o pamilya. Diba? So, let's see what is the Four of Wands and the King of Wands. And of course, there's a Seven of Pentacles. Wow, harvest time. No? Makukuha mo na what you deserve. Kumbaga, siguro itong tao na to darating sa buhay mo, hindi lang pakiligin ka. Diba? Parang there's a long-term success and long-term investment. And long-term relationship. And of course, there's a Nine of Wands. Low and steady. No? Kalmado lang, hindi mo kailangan magmadali o padalos-dalos. Diba? What is the Queen of Wands and the Seven of Cups? And of course, there's a Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. No? Kailangan mo maging balanse dito sa eksena na to, no? Maging balanse ka, hindi ka pwedeng maguluhan, hindi ka pwedeng guluhin sa eksena na to. Be confident. So, let's see what is the Five of Cups and the Four of Swords. And of course, there's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. Magkakaroon ka ng victory and success with the Six of Pentacles. Magtutuloy-tuloy din na about sa finances mo. No? Makinig ka sa instinct mo. Huwag mo sayangin yung opportunity na to kasi mananalo ka sa eksena na to. There's a give and take. So, what is the outcome? There's a good news. May magandang balita ka na kumbaga magpapaluwag-luwag sa isip mo. No? Kumbaga, maalis na yung pangamba mo. So, what is additional messages for the career? For career is a full card, no? New beginning and leap of faith. No? Magtiwala ka na kaya mong gawin at kaya mong palaguin yung negosyo mo. About sa health. And of course, there's the Seven Swords. Get more information, no? Kung baga sinasabi dito, there's a sneakiness or some few baka nagkakaroon ng cheating pagdating sa may mga bawal, pero pinipilit mo pa rin kainin. Pilitin mong hindi makain yung mga bawal, ha? So, about naman sa relationship, there's a Three of Pentacles, collaboration, no? Kailangan mong makipag-coordinate sa iyong person. Of course, the Ace of Swords, there's a breakthrough. This is your moment to shine, no? Ito yung magpapakita sa iyo, magbibigay kahulugan sa iyo ng tunay na pag-ibig. So, let's see what is additional messages for the Yin and Yang. Protectionan mo yung person mo kung ayaw mong agawin sa iyo, 'di ba? So, what is the Yin and Yang? What is the Yin and Yang? Okay. There's a deception, temptation. Yun nga, may tukso. Diba? May ilayo sa tukso, ti. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a karma. Justice will serve. May good karma and bad karma dito, ha? Kaya mag-ingat. Ingatan ang person mo. And of course, sinasabi din dito, and of course, there's an offer. Oh, may bulaklak na offer, ti. Alam mo na. Diba? Baka ma-offeran to ng eksena. So, mag-ingat ka. No? So, what is the Love Oracle card? Diba? Talo ng magaling ang maharot. Diba? Talo ng mahalang, talaga kahit na mahal ka, diba? Kapag hinarot talaga at nilandi, diba? Di mo makikita talagang kapag natukso at tinukso. No, and of course, there's, I told you, girl with a snake, T. Ayan, may ahas, diba? Ay, lakas ang energy, T. Diba? Ahas. Diba? Mag-ingat sa trade door. And of course, there's a boundaries. Mag-set ka ng boundaries. Ting, diyan ka lang. Huwag ka lumalapit sa soko. Ganun. And of course, there's a palm tree. May swerte, ha? There's a stability and security. And of course, there's a talking, no? Kung baga, dapat meron kayong conversation sa inyo ng dalawa ng jowa mo or asawa mo, no? Heart-to-heart talk. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's an envy, no? Kung baga sinasabi dito, I am the same as everyone, but will different challenges, no? Magkaiba kayo ng problema pinagdadaan, pero depende na lang yan kung paano mo dadalhin, no? Pagandahan na lang pagdala dyan. And of course, there's a growth, no? Kung baga, there's a conscious and awareness. Kung baga, magkakaroon ka ng expansion. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a book, no? Kumbaga, siguro ito na yung chapter mo, no? Ito na yung pahina mo, kaya galingan mo. And of course, sinasabi rin dito, there's an oracle card, no? Parang alam mo na itong mangyayari na to, alam mo na yung eksena, alam mo na yung kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. And of course, there's a speaker, no? Your life purpose involve your skills of orasyon. Ibig sabihin dito, may involved din dito ng orasyon na, ha? Mamaya, orasyon na ng jowa mo, nilalatik-latik, nilalandi, o mamaya gayumahin to, ha? Maging aware. There's an oracle card. Some of you have spiritual abilities, no? Kumbaga tapos yung tao in person mo, ingatan mo. Baka itong temptation na to baka gawa ng gayuma nga, no? Para maakit. So, what is the Monsology? Monsology is, look at the bigger picture. Dapat tignan mo yung mga kahihinatnan o yung mga mangyayari pa sa hinaharap, no? At the same time, take time to breathe out, no? Bigyan ng oras ang panahon, no? Huminga. At pag-isipan. So, what is additional messages? Okay, there's a taking action. Kailangan mo rin kumilos, gumalaw. 'Di ba? Kailangan mong solusyonan. At the same time, kapag nararamdaman mo na may something sa jowa o asawa mo, pa-check mo na kagad, baka ginagayo mo yan. And of course, there's a transformation and there's a magic, no? O yun nga, magic and illusion. So, mamaya, 'di ba, nag-i-illusion na yan. Tapos there's a magic involved. Transformation daw. And of course, there is an introspection and self-inventory. No? Kumbaga, kailangan pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Mag-invest ka rin sa sarili mo at the same time. So, what is additional chakra? There is a destiny. And of course, there is a self-worth. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung halaga mo. At the same time, there's a destiny daw na may nakatadahanang mangyari. 'Di ba? And of course, there's a prayer. Team. 'Di ba? May dasal at may involved na dasal dito. Kanina, speaker of orasyon. Ngayon naman, prayer. Kailangan mong magdasal talaga ng... And of course, there's a balance, no? Maging balance ka dito. So, let's see what is the energy. What is this energy? Angel, spirit guide. And of course, there's a just and possibilities, no? May mga pinto ang magsasara at may mga pinto ang magbubukas sa'yo. Additional messages. And of course, there's a first chakra Archangel Michael for protection, no? Nandito sa Archangel Michael na binibigyan ka ng protection or kailangan mo ng protection. Na sinasabi dito na kailangan mo protection. Kaya pala, there's a Seven of Wands and the Magician, no? Baka some of you, baka gawan talaga ng gayuma tong person mo. Kaya parang pinapaano na dito na Archangel Michael na kailangan nyo ng protection, no? May protection sa love life, may protection sa sarili mo, laban sa mga black magic, no? May mga ganyan. And of course, there's a hostilities. Protect your power, protect your energy. So, what is the Romance Angels? What is the Romance Angels? Angel Spirit Guides. At sinasabi dito, chemistry. There's strong magic, magnetic attraction here, no? May chemistry talaga kayo. And of course, there's a flirt. See? Meron din flirt dito. Baka may humarot talaga sa jowa mo. Umiyaharot, mag-ingat ka. 'Di ba? Extend the light-hearted energy to others. See? Baka may humarot talaga sa jowa mo. Mag-ingat ka dyan. And of course, there's a laughter is the best medicine, no? Yun nga, being sense of humor. Kailangan may sense of humor ka. Kailangan, hindi ko sinabing tumawa ka ng tumawa na parang ansya ka or baliw ka dyan, Kailangan, alam mo sa sarili mo, ilulugar mo syempre yung tawa, di ba? Yung kailangan mo pa syempre maging maligaya. Katulad niyan, di ba? May mga punchline tayo, di ba? Para kahit pa paano mapagaang natin yung kalooban nyo. Kung nag-e-emote kayo dyan. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? Guarded and protected. Isa pa yan, di ba, Kailangan mo ng guarded and protected, And of course, positive thoughts create a positive outcome. Isa pa yan, di ba? Kailangan mo mag-isip ng mga magagandang eksena, huwag ka nagiging nega-nega dyan. Kailangan mo na solusyon, hindi mo kailangang dagdagan yung problema mo. So, what is a Jesus loving quotes? Be a good comfort, your feet has been mule. Ibig sabihin dito, maging kumbaga kung may mga nararamdaman sa yung person, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, kumbaga i-comfort mo sila, 'di ba? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, doon mo makikita at malalaman yung mga kasagutan ng buong buo, 'di ba? Kung talagang totoo, 'di ba? Totoo sila sa iyo, talagang may faith diyan, 'di ba? Baka doon sinusubukan kung hanggang saan yung paniniwala at pananampalataya mo. So let's see what is the messages of life. And of course, there's a 111 twin flame energy, team. May twin flame, Ang lakas ng energy, twin flame kayo dito. And there's a destiny. Kumbaga, the universe is arranging people and experiences on your path to help you succeed and helping you wake up to who you truly are. I am awakening. Kailangan mong gumising ka sa katotohanan, T, ha? Na may something. So, what is the messages of life? So, what is the messages of life? Dance of the rhythm. Today, I find the joy in my heart. I lighten my heart by releasing what I no longer need. I align myself with who I am, and I gently acknowledge who I am not. I am grateful for what I possess, and I am peace with what I do not. I appreciate and accept my life as it is. I live according to the will of God. In this way, I dance with the life and see the magic of bloom. See? 'Di ba? Talaga makikita mo talaga na kumbaga kapag sumasabay ka sa inday at talaga na sumasabay ka sa nangyayari sa paligid mo at nire-release mo yung negativity at sinusolusyonan mo yung mga problema mo kaysa nag-a-adapt ka ng mga problema, 'di ba? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, kailangan mo proteksyonan at pangalagaan kung ano yung pag-aari mo. Akin lang ang asawa ko. Ganun. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, there's a twin flame energy and of course protect your power, protect your energy. So guys, this reading is a weekly gabay for the month of September 23 and po hanggang September 30 for the sign of Capricorn. This reading si reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye bye and babush!